Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open your Excel workbook and use the Find dialog with Control plus F to locate keywords. Type the keyword exactly or use partial text with wildcards such as asterisk and. Use the Options menu to enable Match Case or match entire cell contents for stricter matches. Search within formulas versus values by changing the within selector. Click Find All to see every match and its cell address. Use Replace carefully to change keywords across the sheet or workbook. Use COUNTIF, range, asterisk, keyword, asterisk to count cells that contain a specific keyword anywhere. For case-insensitive partial matches, use search inside isNumber and wrap with SumProduct for array-safe counting. To count multiple occurrences per cell, use len cell minus len substitute cell keyword divided by len keyword. Use absolute ranges like 0, 0 to lock your dataset when copying formulas. Test formulas on a small sample. To confirm accuracy, use auto-filter and text filters contains to quickly isolate rows that include keywords. Create a helper column with a formula that returns 1 when a keyword is present and 0 otherwise. Build a pivot table on that helper column to summarize keyword counts by category. For very large datasets, use Power Query to split text, remove punctuation, and apply text filters or custom mQueries. Archive original data before mass replaces, and save backup copies using versioned file names.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.